Today, we're going to guide you on how to enable automatic document downloads on WhatsApp when using it on your PC. Let's go through the steps together. Start by opening WhatsApp on your PC. Ensure that the application is up and running smoothly to access the necessary settings. Next, from the left sidebar, click on Settings. This will lead you to a menu where you can adjust various preferences to enhance your messaging experience. Within the Settings menu, navigate to Chats, and then select Media Auto Download. This is where you can customize the automatic download settings for different types of media files. Click on the option to check the box next to Documents. By selecting this, you enable WhatsApp to automatically download documents on your PC without manual intervention. By following these steps, you can streamline the process of downloading documents on WhatsApp and optimize your messaging experience on your PC. Thank you for watching. We hope this tutorial has been helpful in enabling automatic document downloads on WhatsApp. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more informative content. Simplify your document downloads on WhatsApp by automating the process on your PC.